Tensioning theory and terminology. Terms that relate to both methods of tensioning: toughness, hardness, malleability, ductility, tension, compression, torque, elasticity and elastic limit, proof of load, yield point, tensile strength, shear strength and preload. Toughness. Toughness is resistance to fracture of the amount of energy a substance absorbs before it breaks. For example, a piece of glass does not absorb much energy before breaking. Hardness. Hardness is the ability of a material to resist penetration. Malleability. If a material can be shaped or molded easily, it is malleable. Ductility. Ductility is a measure of how much a material can be deformed or drawn before it breaks. Cast iron cannot be bent or drawn to any degree before breaking. Tension. Tension is a force that is applied to an object to stretch it lengthwise in line with the axis of the bolt. Compression. Compression is the force acting on all materials between the bolt head and the nut to compress or shorten them. Torque. Torque is the turning force set by the wrench on the fastener. It is measured in foot-pounds or Newton-meters. Elastic limit. Elastic limit is the maximum tension that an object can sustain and still return to its original shape. Proof load. The proof load of a fastener is the highest recommended tensile load for that fastener. It is within the elastic limit of the fastener and is measured in SI or MPa. Yield point. Yield point is the point at which a fastener suffers permanent deformation when tensile load is applied. Tensile strength. Sometimes called ultimate strength, tensile strength is the maximum tensile stress or loads a fastener can support before a fracture occurs. It is measured in SI or MPa. Wall dilation. It means that the nut is stretched to a larger diameter, shifting the tensile load onto the tips of the threads. Nut dilation can be overcome only by increasing the wall thickness of the nut, not by adding height. Thread shear. Thread shear occurs when the threads of the fastener shear off number load.